Okay. Uh, the last time the video got disconnected. So let's do these graphs. So here I've been asked to determine whether the relation is a function by doing the vertical line test. Let me get a red, okay, we use a red marker. So the vertical line test means I need to draw a vertical line. If it touches 2 times, it is not a function. If it touches 1 time, it is a function. So I'm going to draw here. See, this is 1 time. This is another 1 time. I'm going to draw another one there. And that's another 1 time. So, yes, this is a function. So I say yes, because each domain has exactly one range. So I'm going to do here. Already I can see my vertical line, the y-axis, is touching 2 places. So then this is not a function. So this is not a function because one domain has more than one range. Okay, then here, this is my vertical line right here, the y-axis, and it is touching the graph in 2 places. So this is not a function. So this is not a function because function you say no, not, no, no, and oh. Alright, because one domain has more than one range. Okay, this one is a function. So if I draw my vertical line, see, 1 point every time, all these vertical lines. So this is a function. This is not a function. See, this vertical line has 3 ranges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ranges. 6 different ranges. So this is not a function. What about this one? This is a function. See, that vertical line is 1 time, another 1 time, another 1 time. So this is a function. This one is not a function because this is 2 times, here and here. Not a function. This one also is not a function because of here and here. But even if I drew it over here, here and here, if I drew it on this side, here and here, not a function. It failed the vertical line test. This one is a function. See, all these vertical lines only cross the graph 1 time. So this is a function. Okay? So now you know how to check from a graph. If you draw the vertical line, it should touch the graph 1 time. Like that. Okay? So, question 10, it is a function, yes. Because it passed the vertical line test. 11, no. No. Here you circle, sorry. Function, yes, passed. It passed the vertical line test. 11 is no, because it failed. It failed the vertical line test. 12, yes, because it passed the vertical line test. 13 is yes, because it passed the vertical line test. 14 is no. 14 is no, because it failed. 15 is also no, because it failed. And what did it fail? It failed the vertical line test. How did you know it failed the vertical line test? Because the vertical line touches 2 times. For you to pass, you must only touch 1 time. If you touch more than 1 time, you have failed the vertical test. Okay? So there was a question I wanted us to do from the book on the hot problems of lesson 3. Yes. Here. I will do 12A and I will do 13 so that you know how to do this. So this is your table. This is X. This is Y. F of X means Y. Okay? So they're asking you to write a function rule for each function. So that means they're asking you to find the slope and the Y-intercept and write the equation. That's what they're asking you. So I'm going to take my 2 points. Because I have negatives, I'm going to work with positives. It is easier for me to work with positives. So I'm going to do over here. Question 12A. Page 292. So my 2 points are 220 and 660. So this is x1, y1, x2, y2. So I'm going to find my slope, which is y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. 60 minus 20, 6 minus 2. 40 over 4, which is 10. This is my slope. I can find my equation immediately, or I can find my y-intercept and then find my equation. So I'll show you 2 ways. So we can either do the point slope. Point slope gives you the equation immediately. Gives you the equation without doing many steps. Okay? So y minus y1 equals to mx minus x1. And what point? It doesn't matter. I'm going to do 220. Okay? So y minus 20 equals 10. That's my slope. X minus 2. I do distributive property, which is 10x minus 20. And this is y minus 20. I do my bridge. I want y by itself plus 20 plus 20. This house goes away. Y equals to 10x because this is also 0. Okay? And here, no, because they want us to write the function rule. This, now you change your y, it becomes f of x is equals to 10x. Now this is your answer. Okay? After you get the y, change it to f of x, and that is your answer. Erase this. Okay, if you forgot to do this, you can use the slope-intercept form. Slope-intercept form. This is another way. So I want you to do this method, so I show you how to get here. So this is y equals to mx plus b. What point am I going to use? I'm just going to use the same one. 220. This is my x, this is my y. 20 equals 10 bracket 2 plus b. Okay, where did I get 10? 10 is my slope. So this is 20 equals 20 plus b. I want b. I will minus 20 on both sides. This is 0. This is 0. So b equals to 0. So what is my equation? Y equals to 10x plus 0. I don't need to write the 0. Y equals to 10x. Now this, I want to change it to a function. F of x equals to 10x. And there is my answer. So you can either do point-slope form or you can do slope-intercept form. Both of them should give you the same answer. It is up to you. So do the rest by yourself. Okay? Now, I want to do question 13. Okay? I want to do question 13 so you can see. So, it says here, if f of x is 4x minus 3, f of x is 4x minus 3. So this is question 13a, page 292. Okay, if f of x is 4x minus 3 and g of x is 8x plus 2. So you have these two functions. And then they told you to solve this. So you have f, and then you have brackets, and then you have g, and then you have 3, and then you have bracket. So this should tell you are going to do 2 times. This question has 2 steps. Step 1, you do the inside. Step 1, you will do when g is 3. Then the answer for g, you will use it to do f of x. Okay? Using the answer for g. Now let us do g. G is what? G of x is 8x plus 2. G of 3 is 8 bracket 3 plus 2. 8 bracket 3 means 8 times 3, which is 24, plus 2, which is 26. So G of 3 is 26. But this is not your answer to this question. Now you need this to do f of x. So now you're going to do f of x is equals to 4x minus 3. F of 26 is equals to 4 bracket 26 minus 3. 4 times 26, this is 24. You carry the 2, 8, 1 of 4, minus 3.